Hello, guys. Truck Attack here. Thank you for tuning in. So, I've been seeing the new Excellence slingshots from Slingshot Sniper, in which they are just beautiful. They just amazing slingshots. So, I wanted to show you mine. I think I already put out a video on this, but I want to recap on it and show you my Excellence. I believe by the time he made this slingshot, he have only made one more other than this one. So, this is number two. Excellence. So I am, just proud to have one. And this one is the second one he ever made, I believe. And it is gorgeous. It just feels great in the hand. And I'm going to be doing some shots for you guys with this slingshot. So the taper I'm using is 22, 14, and 360. And I'm also using Jinpu point 0.5. Also, I seen Slingshot Sniper using some matches and doing some headshots and just destroying these things. And I'm gonna give it a try, see if I can do it. I don't know if I'll be able to do it like he does, but I'm gonna give it a try. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for watching. That's all that's left of it. And I can't find the head of it. Oh, here it is. Looks like I got me. I don't know if that was a headshot or not. I don't know. You guys leave comments because to me it kind of looks like it was, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. Let's give it another try. All right, guys, here it is. Let's see if we can hit it. I hit it, flew somewhere around here. I don't know if you'll be able to find it. So, but there you have it, guys. The Excellence from Slingshot Sniper. What a beautiful slingshot. Stay tuned for other shots. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. So what can I say? I love this slingshot. The excellence, it's great. I highly recommend it. Today I had a lot of fun. Shooting these matches, let me tell you, it is a big challenge. But if you can see it, you can shoot it. So no excuses for me. Even though I popped the band, I wasn't able to do the shot. But tomorrow, it's gonna be a different story. So guys, thank you for tuning in, and don't forget, safety is number one. So see you guys in the next video. Track Attack out.